Mr. Ricard. Yes. Hello, good time. I hope you are well. I am also a robot trader here. This is an educational video about a new dropship that we recently added to the Star and Galaxy robots. The CoinCatch dropship is a very good dropship. I checked it out, both in terms of volume and in terms of the features it has. There is no problem with Iran at the moment. The fears of your life don't want to do much for you. Well, they provide good service and support, and we decided to add it to the list of exchanges that we support for Star and Galaxy robots. Incidentally, in this video, we are going to be together on the phone, meaning here you will see my screen. Whatever I do on the phone, you will see it. Here. Let's go together. And every day, create a CoinCatch account. I have my phone and laptop, but you likely use your phone mostly. We'll create a CoinCatch account and connect via API. It's simple, and you can use this exchange too. Let's start. I won't take more of your time. The app is straightforward, but use the browser for registration. Search in your browser as app versions don't support API. We'll check CoinCatch. Browser is better for API. Search CoinCatch on Google. It appears as a top ad. Scroll to find coincatch.com and enter. The idea is not for nothing, but for nothing. Use the browser version for registration. Search in your browser. App versions often lack API support. Search CoinCatch on Google. It appears as a top sponsored ad. Scroll to find coincatch.com and enter. Note, Europe and US are often sanctioned, but the API works well. Enter the site. Sign up is at the top. Click and enter your email. I'm going to use an email that. Remember, almost endless. You have a sister from the Middle East and Asia. They usually boycott Europe and America because of their own work. That's why, for example, if you click on eBay, it would be great. I would like to offer you a service. When you enter the site here, oh my God, here you click the sign up button. You enter your email address. I have an email address that. I just want to create a new account, and I'm entering it right here now. I'm currently here to serve you with the process of signing up for a new account on gmail.com. The process is underway, and I am here to assist you with this process right now. Yes, it prompts you to set a password. I usually use these password manager systems to choose a secure password. Just make sure to pick a password that's between 8 to 32 characters, includes at least one number, has uppercase and lowercase letters, and there's a section for a referral code. What referral code should you enter? Just type in your referral code and make sure to use a lowercase h and uppercase letters where needed. For example, type in Hey4. Enter this referral code. What is the benefit of this referral code for our total? First, if you enter this, the speed of your transactions will be faster, which means that your transactions will be executed with higher priority than if you do not enter this referral code in robots. This is a point. The second point is that there is also a discount in karmas for you, which means if you do not enter this, you will pay more karmas. That's it. Let's see what this is like. This video is really for beginners, especially for those who haven't created an account yet. If you've already set up an account, don't waste your time. Just click here to skip to the API section. But for now, let's move forward together. An email will be sent to the email address you provided. Let me check here and see what email we received. You should get a confirmation code, usually. If you didn't receive the email, in your inbox, check your spam folder. It usually ends up there. For me, it came in the spam folder too. I went to the spam folder, and there it was, the confirmation code. We confirmed the registration just like that in under a minute. I was expecting to record the video. Alright, now that your registration is done, let's move on to the API creation step. Before that, we'll enter the Telegram bot. Whether it's Galaxy or Star, it doesn't matter, both are fine. In this connection section, go to the settings and change the exchange. you'll see that CoinCatch has been added alongside CoinX. When you click on CoinCatch, it will ask you for the API key. Now, I want to connect it to my CoinCatch account. So let's go ahead and do that. Crooked ass on this part of the dummy. You just click here, and you'll see the API management option. Click on API management, and let's create an API together. When you hit create new API, it will tell you that for security settings, you need to enable your Google two-factor authentication. This is a common requirement for all exchanges, and it's great that they're so focused on security. I'm clicking the link, and it says to either copy the code or scan it. I'm going to turn this off for a moment and go to my Authenticator app to continue the steps for you. Let me show you. I'm copying the code now. Now, let's go to the Authenticator app. You can install it if you don't have it. Just search for Google Authenticator. And something like this will come up for you. Right now, I'm entering the name CoinCatch in my Authenticator app, along with my email. Now, it's not mandatory to remember anything else. Just enter the key that it asks for. This is time-based, so it's all good. You'll see it here as CoinCatch. Now, we enter the code here, 979339733, and submit. Just like that, it tells us to take another email. Their security system is really high level. For the next email, we enter 011197, 111.97.5. Confirm. Is done. Now we're going to create the API. If you had done this, you wouldn't want to do this step again. I'll come back to this. Person and click on API Manager, create new API. Did you see where I clicked? Here, we can write a description, for example, write Cashin. It says you need a passphrase, and this is really important, so make sure to remember it. You'll need to enter this in the bot as well. It's not your CoinCatch password. It's the password for this specific API. Set a passphrase that you can remember and jot it down somewhere. I'm going to keep it simple. Alright, so we set it to 1 to 8 and added a 0. The read-only option isn't useful for us, so make sure to check the trade button if you want the bot to trade for you. But don't check transfer because the bot doesn't need to move money around. It just needs to trade. You don't need to worry about the IP. You have to check these two options. After that, a code will be sent to your email again. Once you hit send, let's go see what code came to your email. We're having a bit of fun here, Mr. Coin. We're giving him so many coins and emails. Here's our code. And our authenticator code is 38366. If it hasn't expired, it should be good. Yes, it hasn't expired, and it came through. Now, let's hold on and head into the bot. We've entered the bot and selected the CoinCatch Exchange. It asks for the API key. Which one is the API key? It's the access key. Some exchanges refer to it as the API key, while others call it the access key. Wow, there's so much light coming in here. The sun is shining through. Sorry about that. You click here, and it gets copied. Then you come here and paste it. Now it asks for the API secret. Which one is the secret? You click again to copy the secret key. It asks for the password, so we enter the API password. If the information is correct, it will connect and say the connection was successful. Your account balance will show up as 0. Why? Because we just created it. How can we transfer money? We don't need to worry about that. Just hit confirm. Now you go into this little person icon and click on the section for deposits. And in this part, Assad, this blink shows how much money you have. You come and deposit, meaning you deposit money. What network? Usually, all tether works. At the end, you choose your network like TRC, ERC, BSC, or BNB. Right now, I think BNB has the lowest fees. You can transfer these two coins easily. It's really simple. I've given previous tutorials on this. I'm going to switch to my laptop. I made another CoinCatch account to connect with funds, so you can see it on a laptop. Using a laptop is easier. It works on a phone too, no issues. But a laptop makes it easier. Let me open Telegram and Galaxy. Now see my Telegram. Here is Galaxy and CoinCatch Exchange. I have some balance and charged it for testing. Let's see. It's much easier for you with the systematic approach. By following a detailed and comprehensive step-by-step process. Let me take a brief moment to open my Telegram application and bring up the Galaxy interface, which is essential for our next steps. All right. Now let us proceed to the next step in our journey. Laptop, you have my Telegram now, you see, the Galaxy relationship. And this is the CoinCatch that I made. And I think I have some stock. I also charged it for a test. Let's see how it is. Yes, this is $23 in the futures account. That's the proof, not in the futures. Oh, another point. About the proof, we need to transfer it to the futures, meaning it won't go up after I let myself get it from here. We're going to minimize this. After transferring money to your spot account, move it to futures. Click the three dots. Transfer from spot to CoinM, not USDTM. Transfer to USDT margin. It will show. Now, money is in my account. I'll create a new API here on my laptop and show you how it works. Now, I'll create a new API. My passphrase is cashin. Password 123456778. Set a strong password. This is a test. Not worrying about the IP. I'll say send the email to me and see what they sent. And I'll show you what this create new API looks like. I'll leave a note that says, for example, I have 3 passwords, 123456778. You have a correct password. Let me know. This is a test. I'll definitely press the button. I don't care about the IP. I'll say, send me an email. Let's go see what email they send us. Where are they? CoinCatch. Hold on just a second. I'm cutting this off. And I'll be right back with you. In just a little bit. Just a moment, please. All right. Let's see what email they send us. I think it went to the spam folder again. Yeah, CoinCatch, please. Oh, why didn't you do anything? You didn't send an email. If you haven't received it, please check your spam. We checked our spam too. It was Narauda, sir. Something strange. Please check email correctly spam. Give a few minutes. It might have a delay, so we'll probably see. If it has a delay, and the problem will be fixed. I'm checking the wrong email, and I apologize. I have several emails, and the poor guy sent the code 612309. This is our authenticator code, and I'll find it for you right now. I'm really sorry. I got a bit lost in this, scene with so many emails, piling up from different tutorials. I sincerely apologize to you. CoinCat admin 254 737. Next, that's it. The API is finished. Now we're in the Galaxy robot. That's what we connected on the phone because telegrams are on both sides of the sync. This is it. Now I'm going to connect a new currency. I'm going to change the currency. CoinCat says, what's the API? I say, eyes. It says to give the API secret, and I say, sure. Then it asks for the password. And that's it. Our wallet balance is $23. It's that simple. This way, you can connect your CoinCatch account to your Star and Galaxy accounts without any issues, for now.